Well, look at those clouds, y'all. The sun's coming up. Come on. Let's all go out and look at it. I just opened the door and there were no cats. They're all over here doing something. It's about to rain, or the rain is nearby. There's my azaleas blooming. And let's see who we have this morning. We have both the black cats. There's Locket, of course, Minnie Moo. There's Princess. Yep. The sun is coming up, but I feel rain. Few little raindrops. I gotta find my lawnmower and put it up. But anyway, no doe yet this morning. The doe's not always here. I think Edo goes other places. But let's see if I can play with this exposure. Yep, I hear some raindrops. I gotta go get my lawnmower. Put the windows up on the car. But that's beautiful back there, y'all. And let's just get one more look at it. There's some cats. Have a great day, everybody.